Amazon Prime hitting a major milestone. CEO Jeff Bezos revealing last night that more than 100 million users worldwide are now paying for the service. Lindsay, does this come as a surprise to you? 100 million folks?
Well, I mean, there were numbers out there that said half of American households, not just people, households were Prime members. So this number is quite large, and it's very impressive. It just shows how ingrained Amazon is in the American culture nowadays.
Right, and leveraging those people with the Alexa and really keeping them tethered, how they keep them tethered to the Amazon service as they build the brand out through acquisitions like Whole Foods, Steve.
Well, this shows instead of trying to break up Amazon, businesses should be looking, how does a large company like that stay so nimble? And one of the things that Bezos focuses on is teams, 10 or 12 people working on a project to keep fresh. Take the cloud. No one thought Amazon was going to be the dominant player in the cloud. And they did that because they're more nimble than the others. So instead of beating them up, find out how they do it.
Yeah, the other thing I would say, of all of us being of kind of the finance background, is how many years in a row we said it's great that they're putting their money to R&D. And they were losing money, going to R&D, and voila, we have the best company in the world without probably a close second.
And this shows Wall Street will be patient in terms of the bottom line. If you lay out a credible strategy and show that you can follow that strategy, they'll be very patient if the results are still coming in, even if it's only in the top line rather than the bottom line.
And I'm sorry. The question I would just say is, can Tesla thread the needle over the coming years like an Amazon did? I would say most people are much more questionable.
Yeah, well, that's, I think, a balance sheet issue where you didn't really see that with Tesla. You didn't really see it with Amazon, so investors were willing to give Amazon the benefit of the doubt, back to your point, because it's a credible growth story.
Elon Musk chose to get into a very capital-intensive business.
Yes,
he has realized in maybe the last week the value of human employees and not just automation, which he tweeted about. Thank goodness.